God. Not only did he allow God to fix his focus, but thirdly, and this is where the church is so inept, he obeyed God. You're not going to have the blessings and the favor of God if you don't obey him. In every area of your life, you have to obey God. I had a pastor not too long ago came to me, and he's a good friend of mine, and for some reason at this stage in my life, God is bringing pastors to Jane and me, and we're counseling them. And this pastor was up in age, and his church wanted a younger pastor, and his board informed him that they thought it would be best for the church if he would just move on so they could do that. And he'd spent his entire life living in church parsonages, and he sat at Starbucks with me, tears running down his cheek. He said, "Larry, I don't know what to do. I'm leaving in 8 weeks, and I have no home. I have nowhere to go." And I reached over and said, "Well, brother, God's going to provide."
Amen.
And then the Lord whispered to me. Oh, this was uncomfortable. He said, "Ask him if he's tithing." And I looked at him and I said, "Brother, God asked me to ask you. It's none of my business. It's between you and God. But are you tithing?" And he just turned to ask why. He said, "No, haven't for years." I said, "You're kidding." He said, "I figured my service was my tithe."
Whoa.
And we talked, and I looked at him before we prayed, and this is a true story. I said, "Are you willing to start tithing?" He said, "Yeah, but I can't catch up." I said, "Well, let's forget about that. Will you start tithing this week?" 2 weeks later, a neighbor he barely knew called him, said, "Could you come over for a cup of coffee?" He went over for a cup of coffee, and the man handed him a $50,000 check as a down payment on a home.
God is good. My God.
Honors obedience.
Yes.
The prophets taught that God favored obedience over sacrifice. You can sacrifice all you want, but if you're not walking in obedience to the Word of God, you're not going to have the favor of God. If you get in a situation where you need God, you don't want to have to take time to repent. So let's learn how to make good decisions. Let's learn how to let God fix our focus. Let's learn in every area of our lives how to walk in obedience to God.
Amen.
Father, we love you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Take this short word and imprint it upon our hearts and our minds. God, we are desperate for you tonight. We want you to be you among us. We're so sick and tired of just having church. We want to have you. God, we want you to touch people tonight. Because I know when you heal them, they're healed.
Amen.
I know when you touch them, they're touched. And I just pray tonight for a manifestation of your supernatural power. I believe you brought us to this house for this, and we're just going to praise you in advance for everything you're going to do in Jesus' name. Amen.